Have you ever wondered if there is a better way to prioritize what you need to get done throughout the workday? Hi, I'm Helene Segura, and I'm a time management fixer. I understand that you might have a lot going on right now, post spinoff of Curbline Properties, plus you've got these market fluctuations in the retail property management space. So you might have organizational changes that you're thinking about, new processes you need to learn, or changes in expectations. No matter what situation you're in, it is important now so more than ever to understand how to prioritize as quickly as possible so you can work more effectively and efficiently throughout the day. I invite you to join me at my session on September 30th, presented by IMS. We are going to cover the 4 keys of time management. And these 4 keys, they are fundamental to every skill under the time management umbrella. So please make sure that you click on the link below so that way you can get more details about the session and also get registered. I will see you there.